Hey YouTube family, RC and more here. I was at Hobbytown earlier today and ran across this little 1/18 scale desert truck. And I've never really heard of them or seen them before, and I noticed it was clearance for $40. I'm like, well, hey, what the heck? Because it shows on here to be brushless, 30 plus miles an hour, and it's got LED lights, waterproof, ready to run, 2.4 gigahertz radio, 4-wheel drive, all batteries included, LiPo capable. So I'm like, well, for 40 bucks, why not? Let's just check it out and see how well it is. I haven't opened the box up yet, so I have no idea if it's used or brand new or what. I know these have been out for a long time. I don't think they actually make them anymore. I have seen some on eBay going for used prices, but not cheap as this one. But anyway, I'll get the box opened up, set everything out, and then we will check out and see what I bought. Alright, got everything out of the box, and I see why it was 40 bucks, because it's used. I even turned the remote on right here, and because it said all the batteries included, and I turned the remote on, and of course everything lights up. I don't know if you can see it in the camera or not, but yeah, everything lights up. So they left the batteries in it, and then the battery it came with, the wire is disconnected from the plug, and then I have 3 other adapters for different countries, I guess. Here's the charger. The vehicle right here, it's got a broken body mount, so I'll have to fix that. But still, for 40 bucks, it's not too bad. If it runs and drives, and I can do a few mods to it, because you can still get parts for this thing. So if I can get it running or whatever, or if I just put a battery in it and get it fired up, I'll be happy still. 40 bucks, I can't beat that. But yeah, let me do some work on it, and then I will get back with y'all, and we'll see how this thing turns out. And here's a size comparison against the Arma Mojave Grom and the Traxxas Pre-Runner, just for comparison, see what it looks like against them. Alright, let's get a better look at this thing, see what I'm working with here. I do see some scuff scratches, minor damage on the light bar, the roll bar. You can see some scuffs and everything else on the back, around the edges and corners. It was used and played with, that's understandable. Got a broken body post right here. I do have another one coming. It's actually stuck in the body still, but I do have another one coming. This came with no clips or anything else either. The body was just sitting on the chassis when I opened up the box. And see the receivers come off the 2-sided tape, but that's a simple fix. It's supposed to have oil shocks on it. I haven't checked it out yet, but it seemed pretty good. Actually, it doesn't seem bad at all, really. I notice I see the tires, rear tires got some wear on them. Front tires a little wear, but the rears are worn more. And I did find another set of tires for these online, $30, so I'm just not sure if I want to spend the money on it yet or not. I did buy an IC2 connector for this. I'm going to run the battery out of my Mojave Grom and my Granite Grom that I have. Now I can share the battery with those and this, so I should be able to fit that in here no problem. And then have it on 2S instead of the battery it came with, give it a little more punch. The connector's coming for that, so I'll swap that connector out. Then I'm able to find out if this thing runs or not. I didn't want to hook the old battery up because I'm not sure what condition it is, and especially with the wire being pulled out of the plug, I don't know how good that battery is, so I'm just going to wind up getting rid of it. Looks like it says it's a 3300 kV brushless, or 5300 kV. I can't tell what that says. Oh yeah, 5300 kV brushless. Okay. I don't know what happened to this company, and I've watched some reviews online, and they seem like pretty decent vehicles, especially something 10 years ago. So it sounds like it was a good deal back in the day, but I'm not sure. Like I said, I need to clean it up. I got some simple green. I'll throw this thing to sink, wash it down, degrease it, oil everything up. Needs to be oiled. Get that connector swapped out, get the body post swapped out, and then we will fire this thing up to see if it runs. Alright, I got the IC2 connector installed, so I can run this Spectrum battery out of my Groms, but I did have to modify the posts on this thing. So I had to drill a little bitty hole top of that post there, drill one on top of that post there, and then had to raise the post up probably about another 2.5 millimeters. I put just little washers, little spacers on them. I did it on both of them. Don't know if you can see it in the video or not. So I did it on both those posts. And this battery, the battery fits in there perfectly, just the posts were too low for it. Put the battery hold down on. And these are so little bitty, they're hard to mess with. There we go, they're in. But I did already try to connect it, and actually I'll show you right now. Plug it in. Turn the radio on. Turn the car on. But no matter what I do, I get no signal. I mean, it looks like the receiver and the radio to be bound together. And I went to go look online, see how to bind it, and all the instructions I found were for the 2-in-1 ESCs, and press a little button, but this one doesn't have a 2-in-1. It's got a separate ESC, it's got a separate receiver. So all I'm going to do now is just put a radio link receiver in it. I'll just bind it to my radio link and just get rid of this big old clunky remote. So I will do that next. Alright, we got the radio link receiver in. I got the new body post on. So I think we're good to go. Great news is everything works. Turn it on. Got steering, throttle. So we are looking good. So the next thing we're gonna go do, we're gonna go to a speed run, go test this thing out, and see what it can do. All right, let's see what this thing does. I got the GPS in it, so we will see if the GPS is connected. Yeah. So we'll see if it still does what it's supposed to do, what the box says, which was 30 miles an hour. So let's find out. That should be good enough. All right. Let's see here. Oh well, 30 miles an hour. How about that? It still does it. So far so good with this thing. This little thing moves pretty good. I'm actually impressed with it. So I wonder what happened to this company. It handles good, drives straight, and it flies too for a little 1/18 scale. Alright, let's find some dirt for it. Alright, found a nice little area here in my yard. You can try this thing out, see how well it does off-road. A little squirrely, kind of hard to control. It must have a rock in it. The tires won't turn. The rear tire. Yeah, there's a rock in it. There we go. This would be more suitable for dirt, not really gravel. I'll find like another dirt area somewhere, just where it's all dirt. He's right, it doesn't do that well on these rocks, but still not too bad. I'm still happy with this little thing. We'll try this area out over here. Oh yeah, much better on dirt. Oh, of course I got it stuck. Got high centered on a weed. Well, all in all, I'm very happy with it. What do you guys think? Bleep bloop it down below, let me know. But for 40 bucks for the car, and then I got another $25 in parts, so that's not bad at all. I think I did good. I'd call this a win. Anyway, I appreciate everyone watching. If you liked the video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, please. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I'll keep doing videos like this. Again, thank y'all very much. I appreciate it.